Okay, so the last time we were together talking about time, we were talking about half past the hour. And we had talked about how there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So we took our place value blocks to represent 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then we said if there's 60 minutes in an hour and we want to split those into half, we could just 3 on this side, 3 on this side. They're equally fairly split. And so if we took 60 minutes in an hour and we split it in half, that means 30 minutes. Okay, so half of an hour would be 30 minutes. So we said half past the hour meant that it would be, like in this example, 8:30. 30 minutes past the hour. And so today we're going to talk about some new vocabulary. We're going to talk about quarter till, quarter past the hour. And I'm going to try to show it in a similar way. So if we take, I'm going to draw a circle to represent this is the whole, and our whole is going to be an hour, or in other words, 60 minutes. So 60 minutes, I split that in half. Let's pretend these are two equal parts. I split 60 minutes in half. We know that this is going to be, this is worth 30 minutes, and this is worth 30 minutes, okay? Quartering means we're going to have 4 equal parts. So what I can do then is just draw another line through here, and then what I have done is I have split 30 into half. I split 30 into half. So we need to figure out what is half of 30. Well, I take a look over here. Here's 30, and I want to split this in half. It's kind of hard to do that with these 10 sticks. But if I just think about the number 10, could I split 10 in half? Yeah, 10 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could split that thing in half. And then I'd have 5. I could split this one in half. I could split this one in half. And then what we basically done is we have split 15 in half. So I'm going to try to show that. I'm going to take this pack of Post-it notes and make sure these are all lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to stick my Post-it note here. So I've split it in half. I've kind of cut that in half. So this is a group of 5, group of 5, group of 5. How much is that? 5, 10, 15. And then it makes sense that this other half then would also be 5, 10, 15. So if we split 30 in half, then we are going to have little 15s. 15, 15, 15. So when we take an hour, which is 60 minutes, and we quarter it or split it into 4 equal parts, each of those 4 parts is 15. And so when I come back to that vocabulary, quarter past the hour or quarter till the hour, that means 15 minutes past the hour or 15 minutes until the new hour. So let me show you this. Here we are at 9 o'clock. If I go over 15 minutes, see the 15? So I look at the time. It's 9:15. This is quarter past the hour, quarter past 9. Okay? Then, if I come over here, this means quarter till 10. So it means basically 15 minutes until it's going to be 10 o'clock. We got 15 more minutes until it's going to be 10 o'clock. So the way that you may have heard your parents saying this, or teachers, or other older kiddos, when we say quarter past, like quarter past 10, we're going to go a quarter around the clock, which is going to be at the 15, 10, 15. If we say quarter till 11, which basically means quarter until 11 o'clock, that means we've got 15 minutes until it's going to be 11 o'clock. Fancy vocabulary. Okay, but what I want you to know is that if we split our clock, our 60 minutes, into quarters, into 4 different periods, then quarters represent 15 minutes. Okay, so if we go around our clock by 15s, come back over here, let's start at the hour. It is now 11 o'clock. We'll go 15 minutes. So here we go. We're at the 15-minute mark. So a little bit past it. So it's 11:15, quarter after 11. It is 11:30, half past the hour. It is 11:45, quarter till 12. It is 12 o'clock. Okay, so I want to show you the worksheet that you're going to be completing today. Let me come on over. Here it is. Okay, so it simply says telling time worksheet, write the time, and so we're going to take a look here. First, we got to find the shorthand to determine the hour. So for this one, here's the shorthand. It's between 6 and 7. We know that minute hand goes around this way, goes clockwise. So has the hour hand gotten to 7 o'clock yet? Nope. It's still in the 6th hour. So it is 6:30. You're going to notice that those little helpers, like there's no 30 down here at the bottom. You got to figure that out on your own. And remember, you can count around the clock to figure that out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 6:30. Let's take a look at one that's a little more tricky maybe. Let's look at this one next. So first look at the shorthand, find the hour hand, and determine what the hour is. Okay, so it's kind of between the 8 and the 9. It's closer to 8. Now think the way that hand turns. It goes this direction, clockwise. So, has the hour hand gotten to the 9 yet? Nope, it's on its way. It's not there yet. So it's 8 o'clock. We got 8. And then what's the minute? Here's that fancy time. We can figure it out though. 5, 10, 15. It's 8:15. The fancy way to say it would be quarter after 8. So for all you, this worksheet is going to be available to you in Seesaw. Go ahead and complete it, and I'll see you back real soon.